Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD Tools for Beginners, and today we'll discuss about geometrical dimensioning and tolerancing part number 14. And in this part 14 we will discuss about basic dimension. So the terminology we will discuss is the basic dimension. So what is meant by basic dimension? So it is a theoretically the exact dimension which is the most desired to be produced. A theoretically exact size, profile, orientation or location of the feature or datum target. Therefore, a basic dimension is untolerance. The basic dimensions locate the theoretically exact center of the hole and center of the tolerance zone. Most often used with the position, angularity and profile tolerances. The basic dimensions are measured from the datum reference frame. The basic dimensions are measured from the datum reference frame. The symbol for the basic dimension is the value, that is the dimension within the rectangular box with a height of 2h. H is the font size. Example, center to center distance between the two holes or the angle of V groove is denoted by the basic dimension. All a basic dimension does is telling you where the geometrical tolerance zone or datum target is located. Basic dimensions are used to establish the true profile which a profile tolerance will then control. So if a profile tolerance is applied to a hole, the diameter must be a basic dimension. So how to denote the basic dimensions? Basic dimensions are denoted by rectangular surrounding the dimension. So here is the example given. So in this example, the 19.2, this 20 mm, this is a 40 and this 14 are the basic dimensions. So you can see these basic dimensions are used with the position tolerance. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.